Hi guys, take two. Hopefully I won't get tongue-tied this time. Okay, so welcome to Little Triple. I don't know why I can't say anything today. Okay, it is the 2nd of December. I hope you're going to have a great day today. Okay, so let's move over onto our Christmas countdown. There we go, our little wreath. So I'm just now going to put this one up and we will get onto the advent calendar. Okay, so number 2 today. Okay, so number 2 is this one, pretty picture. Let's see if we have to open it the same way. Yep, little hole. Wait. Oh God, this one's quite hard. Oh, there we go. Oh, you get a nice kind of view there. But let's have a look once we take it out. Oh, I think that one actually may have come from the top. So I'm just going to try and help it to go back in the top one. And we'll take the one out that is actually in the second. So hold on a moment. I'll just put that back together and I'll just put the calendar up. And then I'll show you guys. Can we see that? Yep. It's really pretty. It's a little snowflake with lovely pattern on it. This is the side. And yep, it does show you the hole. So that when you fit it onto the charm bracelet, then it's got a hole at either end. That is just really cute. So that's my number 2. Okay, yes. Hello, Cookie. This is Cookie. This is my cat. She is lovely. She's so friendly. Okay, so let me put number 1 and number 2 together. I don't think I'm going to be doing that once we get up to 24 because I don't think that'll fit on my hands. She is purring away, guys. I don't know whether you can hear her. Hello. Okay. And this is my daughter's dog. This is Tok. As you could probably tell, I am up in my bedroom. Yeah, good girl. I hope they can hear me and not just you purring. She likes to hold on tight, does this one. Okay, well, happy 2nd of December. I will see you all tomorrow. Love you loads. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.